Meet Tom. Tom is a frustrated trader that keeps losing money. Lots of money. It's not Tom's fault. Many traders don't have the experience, knowledge, or time to filter through thousands of stocks to trade. One day, Tom reads a study that shows that 90% of traders fail. He learns that even the most skilled professionals benefit from coaches, mentors, and training. So Tom goes to TraderTactics.com and finds the Trade Plan Development Masterclass. Finally, he realizes that this is what he's been missing. He hasn't been this hopeful or excited in a long time. At TraderTactics.com, the Trade Plan Development course is a true professional-grade masterclass. It is created to get you from zero to hero in your trading in the most effective way possible. The self-paced course includes 34 lessons, 4 hours of video, 27 downloadable documents, a detailed workbook, and multiple proprietary trade plan templates. Tom works hard to complete the course, and now he's trading with the confidence of his new skills and knowledge. He finally has the success he's been looking for. Do you need to increase your trading skill? Join Tom and others like him. Visit TraderTactics.com to watch free lessons and take a test drive of the masterclass today.